Ready to grow revenue with permanent lighting? With our hands-on training, you'll learn about sales and marketing, how to differentiate your business, and how to install InvisiLights on any kind of building. We're here to help you succeed, which is why training covers an overview of the InvisiLights system, understand the features and benefits of our cutting-edge permanent lighting system, crafting competitive bids, learn market rates and how to stand out in your area, key selling points, present InvisiLights as a solution for residential and commercial clients, sales and marketing techniques, discover proven strategies to attract new customers, installation training, master professional installation for beautiful results to wow your customers. Where is the training located? You can find dates, times, locations, and virtual training options at lightsathwholesale.com/pages/InvisiLights-training. Can I bring others with me? Yes, but they will need to be registered. Should I bring anything? We will provide snacks, water, food, binders, and pens. If you'd like to bring your own snacks or beverages, you're more than welcome to. So, ready to expand your business offerings? Join our InvisiLights training and gain the skills, strategies, and insights to grow your business with permanent lighting solutions.